Good morning, children. Do you recognize my voice? Who am I? Yes, I am Nanda ma'am. And today I am here with your new book, Getting Ready to Write. Getting Ready to Write. Yes, and you must have all got this book. Open it gently. You must not tear your books, children. This is the first page. Ask Mama and Papa to write your name and write section B here because you are in KGB. Don't forget to write your name. Then we turn the pages. Say hello to Bincy. This is Bincy. This is Bincy. Now turn the page, and these are the pages where you can learn your sounds. A, B, B. You can ask Mama to see these pages. Next, turn this page again. Page number, come to page number 6. Page number 6. This is a writing page, children, and these are the letters that you did in nursery. These are the letters that you did in nursery. You, say the sounds with Nanda ma'am. Page number 6, you have to open page number 6, and these are the letters which you have already done in nursery. Let us do this page today. First, you will keep your finger like ma'am has kept and revise the sounds with Nanda ma'am. Open your book and keep your finger and say, you, Now, ma'am is giving a word for you, I am saying you, up. You, up. Now, you have to give another word for you, I'm waiting. Good. Now, put your finger on the next letter like ma'am has done. Wire. Wire. Now, ma'am is giving a word for wire. Ma'am is saying wire yellow. Now, it's your turn. I am waiting. Wire. Give me a word for wire. Next. L. Keep your finger like this and say L. I'm giving a word for L. L, ladder. Now it's your turn, children. I am waiting. Next is D, D. D, D. Ma'am is going to say my favorite, D, D, donut. D, D, donut. Now it is your turn to say a word with D, D. Okay, now come to the next letter. G, G. Put your finger like this, the way ma'am has kept, and say G, G. Now, ma'am is giving a word for G, G. G, G, green color. G, G, green. Now it's your turn. Give me a word with G, G. G, G, good. Next, keep your finger like this and say Q, Q. Q, Q. Q, Q, quarter. Q, Q, quarter. Now your turn. Give me a word for quar. Next, U A Y L D G Q qua. Now move your finger here. O O. And I'm giving a word for O. Oil. Oil. Your turn, children. Good. Now let's move on to the next letter. J. I'm going to say juice. Juice. Now it's your turn, children. Now moving on to the next letter. T. Good. Tiger. Tiger. Your turn. Give me a word with children. Next. A ambulance. Ambulance. Now it's your turn. Please give me a word with a. Good. Now that we have revised these letters, I'm going to do an activity with them, and you will also do it at home. Alright? You must have also got this kit in your book set. This is your alphabet kit. This is your alphabet kit. Okay? And when you open it, you have all the 26 letters of the alphabet in the box. You must take care of these letters, children. This is a very nice teaching aid. You must take care of these letters, children. Please do not lose or misplace any of these letters. So now, in your book, we have the letters U, Y, L, D, G, Q, O, J, T, A. So, you are going to look through the letters. Okay, now look. There. Look, I got the first letter. This is letter U, This is letter U, in print, and letter U, in lowercase cursive, and this is letter U in capital. You will show me the letter U, in lowercase. Okay, so for this activity, you will look for all these letters in your alphabet kit. Say yes, ma'am. Good. After you finish this activity, we will move on to writing these letters. Okay? Don't forget, children, you must take care of these letters and do not lose any of them. Good children. After the activity, please put them back in their box and keep the box safely. Keep the box safely. Good. Now we will move on to writing these letters. Okay? Okay, children. Now let us begin with writing. Are you excited? This is the day we begin our writing in our new book. Good. So this is the page, And today is June 24. Today's date is June 24. So here in the corner we are going to touch the line and write the date. 24 dot 6 dot 2020. See, ma'am is touching the red line and writing. And we are going to begin with the first letter U. Go up, come down, turn and tail. You have to write each letter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this. Go up, down, up again. U. Once more. Concentrate and write properly between the lines. Can you see, children? And now I am going to write all the letters once. You will write each letter 3 times. Yes? Good, children. Now look how ma'am is writing Y. Up, down, up again, come down and tail. This is Y. Next, up, loop back, L. Go up, turn, go to the red line, come down straight, D. Next, go up, it's like a C, touch, go down, tail, G. Make a C again, touch, come down straight and go like this till the blue line. Q. Like I, go, touch, in and out, O. Next, go up, come down, turn, J. Go up, come down, turn, T. And last, go up, make a C, touch and tail, A. Now I have written all the letters in one line. You will complete these 2 rows at home. You will complete these 2 rows at home. Okay, and this activity mama can do at home using your alphabet kit. Mama can call out the letter and you have to raise the correct card. If mama says you have to show her you from your alphabet kit. If mama says Q, you have to show her Q from your alphabet kit. Once your work is over, children, you can ask mama to take a photo and send it to ma'am. Okay? Good, children. Don't forget to send me a photo of your beautiful handwriting. Bye-bye.